Hi, I'm Milda. I'm a COO at Paris Rio, and I want to give you a few guidelines how to make the best profile on Paris Rio. So first of all, when you are creating a profile and writing a description, please mention a few things about your background and also what exact tours do you offer. Because some travelers, they have no idea about the possibilities in your destination, and of course you are the expert. And then of course, while choosing the picture, try to get a good quality one. And just all in all, think about the trust. When you're making the profile, you are trying to create trust about yourself, so a foreign person would book you. So once the profile is set, you will start getting the messages. So please answer as soon as possible, max 24 hours from the moment that you got the message. Even if you're not available, please recommend some of your colleagues, and then next time when they are not available, they can recommend you. So then in this case, you also create some kind of a community. Okay, and then also to get the bookings, there's kind of a little secret. When people are looking for a guide, they're not only looking for the information, they also look for an interesting person to spend their time with. So try to show your charisma and your personality in your profile, in the pictures. If you don't think that it's not enough, please shoot a video of yourself, send to us, and whatever material you actually send to us, we will promote you directly, so then you get that personal benefit. Okay, and then once you're doing the tour, be punctual, just have a common sense, listen to your client, and then just be polite with them. Okay, and also if you would take some pictures and videos, that would be great. We would also share that and promote your destination. And then after the tour, the most important thing is a review, because the review from the client is the best promotion that you can ever get. So I wish you great tours, and if you get any question, always contact me and I will try to solve any problem that you have. Cheers.